Hi there, students. A maven, a countable noun. This just means an expert, somebody who knows a lot about a particular subject. He's a maven of fashion. Yeah, I guess Einstein, it was the maven of relativity. Okay, so a maven, somebody who has very good understanding of something. Notice this word is American. Yeah, I think if you use this word with Brits, they may well not understand it. Yeah, so for example, a scientific maven, a Brit might call a boffin, for example. Okay, so a maven, somebody who is an expert at something, a connoisseur. So my uncle believes that he's a maven of fine wines. Yeah. Somebody who really knows a lot about something, somebody who's very learned about a particular subject. So I guess if you watch my videos regularly, you are language mavens. Yeah. The mavens of politics who are experts about what's going on. I wish I had easy access to a computer maven to resolve any problems I might have with my computer. Okay, so this is a person who's an expert on a particular subject. They know all about it. Yeah, they have special knowledge or special experience about it. So I guess a hotshot. Notice as well, you can actually spell this word with an I, Mavin as well. Okay, a virtuoso. Yeah, a wizard, a star, a genius, an expert. Yeah, and that's the idea of a maven. So it's somebody who's very good in a particular field. So a maven of politics. I guess Messi is a maven of the football world. Yeah, this is somebody who understands, who's a connoisseur of something, who knows it very well. I think this word though, so remember it's an American word, and I would use this primarily in the US, not the UK. And as to formality, it's an informal word. I'd probably give it a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing maybe, but certainly no more. And as to origin, well, this word comes from Yiddish, Mavin, meaning an expert or a know-it-all, which comes from Hebrew Mavin, someone who understands, an expert or a connoisseur. Okay, so a maven, an expert. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Maven.